Which cartridges work with my HP printer? If your HP printer is running low, or has run out of ink or toner, you can purchase new HP cartridges online or from a local retailer. If you do not know which cartridges fit your printer, you can find out by going to the HP store online. Go to the hp.com/shop. In the Shop drop-down menu, under Shop Print, select Ink, Toner, and Paper. In the search field, enter your printer name, printer model, or the number found on the old cartridges. If you entered your printer name or model, select your printer from the drop-down list. You are then presented with all compatible cartridges. From here you can choose based on cartridge size as well as color. You can purchase individual black or color cartridges, or you can purchase cartridge packs. If you would like to visit a local retailer to buy your cartridges, instead of buying online, write down the number for your compatible cartridge. You can then use that number to look for all available ink options in the store. Only use genuine HP cartridges in your HP printer. HP cannot guarantee the quality or safety of non-HP cartridges.